It's the dawn of a new disc coupling. From a worldwide leader in mechanical power transmission solutions, you have more than a new option. You have an upgrade. Meet the Dodge Industrial StratoLink disc coupling line. Starting with the D71 API 610 disc coupling, expertly engineered to unleash a wide range of benefits. Advanced design provides an average of 26% greater torque capacity. 4140 alloy hubs provide 11% more bore capacity for the ability to downsize coupling size. Unitized disc pack and patented self-aligning bushing system cuts rebuilds in half, and for many existing applications, the center member assembly is a drop-in replacement for Rexnord Thomas Series 71, making the switch simple. Decrease your cost and increase the life of your connected equipment, all backed by the Dodge industrial legacy of innovation, service, and support that hundreds of thousands of global customers have counted on for more than 145 years. Discover more about the all-new Dodge StratoLink disc coupling line at dodgeindustrial.com.